Hello guys, welcome to our channel Honest Opinions. So today I'm going to unbox and give a quick review of Moto G7 Power, Motorola's game changer phone as Motorola think it is but it's not. So let's start. So let's unbox the unit and check what we get with the package. Here we get our device. Let me take it out. Specs are also mentioned on the protected film. So first I will give you some quick specs about the G7 Power. It has 5000 mAh battery, a 6.2-inch HD Max Vision display, Snapdragon 682 processor paired with 4 gigs of RAM, a 12 megapixel rear camera and a 8 megapixel selfie camera. Let's peel it. It comes with latest Android 9 Pie out of the box, and it's not so heavy despite of its large battery. Its look is not that much premium, but it's what you get in a mid-range phone from Moto. Let's check what other things we get with the device. We get a power brick, it's a turbocharger and a USB Type-C cable. The quality of the cable is good. Let's boot it up now. I have set up my device. In the front it has a notch like we see on iPhone or OnePlus 6. It's not completely bezel, but yes, from the front it looks good. At the back we have a single shooter camera and a single tone LED flash and a fingerprint sensor embedded in the Motorola M logo. It's a good thing that it doesn't have a camera bump like all the other Moto phones have. While using it, it feels like a stock Android. In Moto we have Moto Actions. Here we have quick capture, fast flashlight, Moto display. Let's click on Moto Actions. Here we have media controls, screenshot editor, one button navigation. Let's check out its camera layout. It should be similar to the stock camera. Here we get portrait, panorama, YouTube live. Let's see what is the maximum quality of the video recording. Damn, it's a surprise that it can record up to 4K. I didn't expect this. So now my final opinion about this device is that if you want a device on behalf of its look and its battery capacity, then you can go for it, else it's a no from my side. Other than this, you can go for Moto X4. It's now available for 14,000 rupees. It's a much better option than G7 Power as it has dual camera setup, dual flash in front and back, and the most important thing, it's water resistant and IP certified. And more than that, you get 6 gigs of RAM, so go for Moto X4 instead of G7 Power. That's all guys. If you like our video, then please comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to check out other honest gadgets review.